Health benefits of rosemary. Rosemary is a widely used herb that originates from the Mediterranean region. It is used to help improve memory, stimulating the brain, indigestion, arthritis-related joint pain, hair loss, and other conditions. This herb, especially the flower tops, contains antibacterial and antioxidant rosmarinic acid, plus several essential oils such as cineole, camphene, bornyl acetate, and alpha-pinene that are known to have anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antiseptic properties. Rosemary can be taken in a wide range of forms including powder, tea, extracts, oil. Rosemary oil is used as a fragrant component in soaps and perfumes. Rosemary has strong antioxidants, can kill germs, block cancer, bring down swelling, and fight infections. It also has some vitamins and minerals, like vitamin A and C, thiamine, riboflavin, folate, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and copper. The woodsy, citrus-like smell of rosemary essential oil is also found in beauty products and used in aromatherapy. Besides its health and beauty uses, rosemary is also used as a cooking herb by many people. Fresh or dried rosemary can be added to sandwiches, soups, salads, dips, and even be used for making infused oil. Here are some ways rosemary can be good for your health. 1. Boost memory. One of the uses of rosemary is a cognitive stimulant. It helps improve memory performance and quality. It is also known to boost alertness, intelligence, and focus. One possible mechanism for this action is that rosemary extract enhances the synthesis of nerve growth factor, which is vital for nerve tissue. The aroma from rosemary can improve a person's concentration, performance, speed, and accuracy, and their mood. Rosemary contains an ingredient called carnosic acid, which can fight off damage by free radicals in the brain. 2. Stimulates hair growth. Rosemary is very common and easily accessible herb. It stimulates and improves circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging hair growth. Due to its antibacterial quality, it gently cleanses hair. It relieves irritated, dry, flaky, dandruff-ridden scalps and increases shine of the hairs. Rosemary aromatherapy can be used to treat alopecia areata. Boil a handful of rosemary leaves in 2 to 3 cups of water. Turn off the stove and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Take out the herb and let the liquid cool down. Use it as a hair rinse few times a week. 3. Strengthens immune system. Rosemary is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help boost the immune system and improves blood circulation. Aromatherapy of rosemary essential oil can boost the immune system and combat diseases associated with free radicals, which could range from a common cold to heart disease. A relaxing massage of rosemary oil can do wonders for your immune system too. Massaging lymph nodes can rejuvenate the body and charge the body's detoxifying abilities. 4. Fights stress and anxiety. Rosemary may have a calming effect on those who suffer from chronic anxiety and stress. It may also reduce cortisol, the stress hormone levels, which helps ease tension in the body. Many factors can cause stress, including tests. Inhaling rosemary oil may help reduce test anxiety. Simply smelling rosemary oil may ease your stress levels in situations like exam taking. 5. Alleviates headaches. Rosemary oil has powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic, pain-killing properties. It's been used in folk medicine for hundreds of years for stress reduction, pain relief, and improved circulation, which can all help headaches. One study even found that rosemary oil helped with withdrawal symptoms. It also helps reduce insomnia and relax muscles, which can help with headaches. To use rosemary oil, you can massage the affected area with a few drops of rosemary oil mixed with a carrier oil like coconut oil. The scent of rosemary oil, like breathing in the scent from your skin or in a hot bath, can offer pain relief. 6. Treats respiratory problems. Rosemary oil contains antibacterial properties that can treat a host of your respiratory problems. The scent of rosemary oil eases throat congestion and also treats allergies, sore throat, cold and flu. Its antispasmodic qualities are also beneficial in treating bronchitis and asthma. The strong antioxidant action of rosemary oil can help reduce inflammation, thus helping to lower the risk of asthma. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil and 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any carrier oil. Rub your chest with this oil few times a day. Put 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil on a tissue paper and breathe in the smell to soothe respiratory issues. 7. Reduces inflammation. Rosemary is helpful in easing pain and swelling. It helps soothe sciatic nerve pain, back pain, arthritis pain, gout pain, and stiff pain. Rosemary also helps ease menstrual pains as it stops spasms. Warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil for a few seconds. Mix 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil in it. Rub the affected area with this oil for 5 minutes. Repeat this method 2 to 3 times a day until you feel better. 8. Improves digestion. The rosemary oil is also pretty good at treating problems of indigestion, constipation, stomach cramps, bloating, and relieving flatulence. Rosemary works as a fantastic detoxifier for our liver. Not only does it facilitate a smoother and better bile flow, rosemary helps regulating the creation and release of bile juice, which enhances the process of digestion. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary to a cup of hot water. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Drink this herbal tea 2 to 3 times a day. To ease constipation, you can also mix a few drops of rosemary oil in 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil and rub it on your stomach area. 9. Prevents high blood sugar. Diabetic people can use rosemary oil to control their blood sugar levels. Rosemary extracts can lower glucose and cholesterol levels, which helps control type 2 diabetes and other metabolic conditions. Make sure you keep checking your blood sugar levels when taking this herb. Also, keep taking your regular medicines as your doctor tells you. 10. Helps fight cancer. Rosemary essential oil holds some very potent phytochemicals. Some 400 to 500 phytochemicals have been found in rosemary essential oil, which makes it an excellent source of various bioactive compounds. It also contains carnosol, which helps in fighting cancer. Rosemary extract has protective effects against hepatotoxicity, which are the toxic effects of the chemical drugs on the liver caused by cyclophosphamide, a commonly used chemotherapy drug. Don't use rosemary essential oil during pregnancy, or if you have epilepsy, hypertension, or bleeding disorders. Before using rosemary oil on skin, test it on a little part of the skin to make sure you are not allergic to it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So keep on watching more videos to get the best natural home remedies.